All right, so I got this 15 horse Evinrude from a guy who got it from a boss who said it was locked up. It was locked up, like locked up transmission wise, nothing else. 15 horse Evinrude, long shaft. I don't know. So I was playing with it. I mean, it's got neutral. You know, got this. I mean, it doesn't seem to want to move. It moves. So we're going to see. We're going to see if this runs, starts, goes, and everything like that. So let's go from there. We'll get a closer look. Power Evinrude. Look at this beast. Look at this. Pretty clean. I would imagine it's just fine. Neutral works. So we'll pop the hood and we'll see what happens from there. All right. Little lever Rooney. Pop that off. I mean, it rotates. Okay. Get in a little closer here. All right. Turn that. You can see what he's saying. It doesn't like. Man. Look down. All right. I mean, it goes into gear. It's fine. I don't know. But I mean, look at how clean that is. It's pretty clean. Right? Pretty clean in there. It's a little two-stroke. You know, everything's there. So I guess we're just gonna give this thing a shot. We'll hook up some fuel to it, run it through, see if it starts, throw some water underneath it. No ears on this one. Actually I could run this one with the ears. That's even easier. I don't even need my big water bucket. All right, let's get all that hooked up. All right, fuel line's hooked up. I'll just throw the cover on, make life a little bit easier. To start, let's just give it a little prime. Ugh, leaks. That whole thing leaks. Oh, doesn't have the little kill switchy thingy. You got the. I don't know if this one's gonna work with this. All right, let's try again. Shh, I know I shouldn't. Well, I think we got a carb issue. Let's clean it out. So that one's easy to get to. That one, not so much. So we'll figure out how we're gonna get to those and go from there. Okay. Yeah, we're able to get in with the short one. How well? I don't know. This is in the way. I really don't want to remove that. I'll leave that to the side there. All right, there we are. Let's see what the dealio is. I mean, unless the fuel pump is shot. It's clean in there. I don't really see anything weird in here. So I got the air compressor going. Got some needle, little go into the holes. I mean, nothing seems to be stuck in them. Nothing stuck. All right, we'll give it a good blowout. I mean, it's clean. I blew it all out. We'll try one more spot. I don't know. I don't see no sediment or nothing. Put it back together. So I rebuilt the carb, put it back on. The other kill switch is pretty annoying, so I gotta get a new one. So let's do this for now. Chuck. Ooh, water. Go. PPP. So it just needed a carb rebuild. Let's check the gears. I mean, looks good. Nothing stuck in gear. Runs great. That's it. Let's get this one posted. All right, so that wraps up another outboard. I got 3, a 4.5 Evinrude, Mercury 7.5, and now this Evinrude 15 horsepower long shaft. We'll see. I mean, it's the end of the season, so it's hard. I don't know if theirs are going to sell or not, but they'll be ready for spring. And I think that's all that matters. All I need is the little kill switch thing for this Evinrude. The Amazonian one off the other one doesn't work too well. And that's it. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll post something on one of these cells. Or not. But this it. Carb cleaning. The guy thought it was stuck in gear. It ain't stuck in gear. It wasn't. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Post a video when these things start selling. Next project. The Duranautic right here, little 30 horsepower on there. Floors need to be redone. We don't know if the engine runs too well or not, so we're gonna find out. That's the next one, but right now we got the Evinrude. All right, everyone, I think that's it. Have a great day, and yeah, that's it. Later.